Okay, I'm going to splice two videos together. So, because I got a phone call, which totally shut my camera down, but I was doing the coffee latte and it smells just like what you'd think a coffee shop would smell like. It smells great. There's like a little cream, a little vanilla, and coffee, and that's exactly what a coffee shop smells like, and it's wonderful. So I've been wanting to smell this other one. This is going to be my Valentine and spring as well. There is a rose scent as well as a jasmine scent, vanilla and sandalwood, and that smells so, I mean, that sounds so good. So let me just see what that is, smells like. Okay, so there is I can smell the rose, definitely. That's the first note in here is the rose. And this is tobacco rose, so there is a hint of that tobacco in there, and this is from Hive and Honey. All these are from Hive and Honey, so I should have told you all the names of it. I just was telling you the scent, so I may go back through and tell you the names. This is Tobacco Rose. There is a hint of tobacco, and I do love that kind of masculine scent and fragrances that are mixed with a feminine fragrance as well, like a rose. I do like this one. I can't wait to put that in a candle. Okay, so there is something called, okay, I know why I got this one is because when I make my dough bowls actually soon I'm going to make them, I had some dried lavender that I want to put on top. So like these dough bowls have a Christmas pine cone and greenery. I'm going to put lavender on top of some as well. I have some dried lavender, and so I wanted to get a scent that also had lavender in it. Not everybody loves lavender. I do love lavender. Lavender does help you relax. This is called Evening Unwind, which makes sense because it has lavender in it, and it also has chamomile and a sugar musk and wow, bergamot. Okay, wow, these are really small because I can't read them. Okay, so let me smell. And yeah, I do smell the lavender and a little citrusy from the bergamot. And let me see, there is some, it looks like there's, okay, so there's some musk. So again, that's what I tend to go toward is like a little, like either it could be sandalwood or musk and a little bit of a lighter scent or floral scent. I love that mixture. That's really good. So I can't wait to put that one in a candle. So I got this next combo because I watched some YouTube videos. I've been studying like crazy how to make candles and how to scent them. So this is also from Hive and Honey. This is, oops, I've got the wrong ones. This is Blushing Bride and I believe okay, Valley Blue Surf. So they were told, or she said that she received some information from someone that these are really good to mix together. So I got these both to trial and to mix together. So I'm going to smell them kind of separately and then I'm going to try to smell them together. I know a lot of people use strips and they use cotton swabs. I'll use that in the future, but right now it's just me and the bottle of fragrance. So this has some lemon and mandarin, so a little bit of citrus, as well as sea moss and musk, driftwood, and let's smell. Okay, so this is Valley Blue Surf. I do get that musky smell in there, that scent. And what else is in there? So I do have the musk and the citrusy. It smells really good, actually. I think this would be really good in a hand soap and a candle. So this is actually, I like this. Also, maybe even a lotion. This smells really good. So that is separate. That was Valley Blue Surf. And then I'm going to now smell Blushing Bride. And Blushing Bride is apple and rose, carnation, jasmine, and it does have some musk in there as well. So let me smell that. And so I was told both of those together smell amazing. So let's smell the Blushing Bride. Okay, so I think I'm going nose blind here, but so apple, rose, jasmine, cardamom, musk, and suede. I am getting a little bit of, I know it's like, what does suede smell like? Maybe it smells a little bit like leather. Oh, I got that on my nose. Great. I'll be smelling that all day. I love that. Okay. So, gosh, I like them separate, but I wonder how they'll smell together. So sometimes people put the two different scents on two strips or two cotton swabs and they go back and forth, but I'm going to have this. I don't know. I think it'll be good. I will, when I make them, I will let you know. So I think I have one more, and I do not even know how to pronounce this. Persephone. Okay, I'm sure it's something I should know how to pronounce, and I should know what in the world this is, but I'll just tell you the fragrance. So orange blossom, cherry blossom. Oh, I actually smelled this already. So this is the key lime, orange blossom, cherry blossom, and it does have some, let's see, pomegranate. Okay, so that's oh my goodness, Persephone. That is like one of my favorites, and I'm not sure. I do make soaps and lotions with different fragrances. Like I said, sometimes I mix them together. Sometimes I just use essential oils and mix what I've been doing over the years. And sometimes I do just get a fragrance from just those that make non-phthalate fragrances and so forth. So I'm going to take this off again, and I'm going to wrap this up. Unfortunately, oh, sorry, that is not a good picture. I'm going to turn, and unfortunately, if you can see inside of this box, these are all broken. It's unfortunate. I hate it. These looked like they were beautiful, but they are broken. Anyway, thanks for watching my YouTube video, and I look forward to showing you more of my creations and Candle Science. That's a company, but all my Candle Science. Candle is a science. Talk to you soon.